What's up, everyone? Derek Deadless, your favorite YouTuber, coming back at you again with a part one of the end of the year summary of buying $10 of Bitcoin 4 times a month, guys. So, as I said in the beginning when I started this back in April of this year, by the end of the year, I'm going to have put $340 of my own personal money into Bitcoin, and I'm going to take you on the journey of whether it's up or down, regardless. Right now, I'm going to try to zoom in on this for you guys, between $359 and $360, so we're up a little bit. We don't expect any major upswings for the rest of the year, as a lot of the analysts will articles that I've been reading about Bitcoin and also videos on YouTube that I've been watching from fellow crypto enthusiasts like Anthony Pompliano. I'm going to leave his channel in the description box. I'm sure you guys have heard if you're into investing in cryptocurrency. Definitely probably my favorite channel to watch. He goes on every day at noon, and he basically does his what he calls the best business show, and has different guests on the podcast every day. Now, so as for the whole year, as far as fees go, it's been 22 cents every single $10 purchase. That comes to $7.48, and I'm gonna see on December 31st exactly roughly how much US dollars it's worth, because I'm not selling it. I'm only buying Bitcoin over the next 5 to 10 years. I was originally going to do this for maybe 1 to 2 years, but who knows? It might be a thing that I just continuously do nonstop throughout my life, because it seems like more and more signs are pointing more and more towards cryptocurrency being the next form of currency, and cash being something that will be extinct maybe 10 years, as soon as 10 years from now. But only time will tell. And yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys on this. Have a Merry Christmas Eve. This video won't come out till next year. And I'll see you guys in the part 2 for the final summary of this video. Okay, everyone, so this is going to be the end of the year conclusive video. Sorry about the camera angle, I guess we'll say. I tried to do it over here, but the lighting looked a little bit better going from this angle. So I'm going to try to rotate a little bit for y'all, so that way kind of like don't want to have like an awkward camera angle. This one's a little bit sideways. Maybe right here. Alright, I'll make sure to speed up that clip for y'all. Anyways, now that we got a decent camera angle and get that zoom action going for y'all. Here we go. That's what we're talking about. Okay, so I'm going to pull up with the end of the year prices, like I said, for Bitcoin. So I put $340 in. Currently, we're at $334.42 if you go from how much I put in from cash to Bitcoin. So we're down a little bit. As I said, we're going to keep buying $40 a month pretty much nonstop. I was originally going to take it as a 1 or 2 year plan. That might be what I do, but honestly, something that I want to do is just continue buying $40 of Bitcoin forever in my Cash App account, even though the downside to buying it on the exchange of Cash App is that you're not earning any interest on what you're buying. So whereas if you buy at a BlockFi or various exchanges like crypto.com offer a pretty decent amount of interest that you're earning, about 4 to 5% generally per month in interest. So I'm going to pull up the information on the screen, because I am fooling around over here, guys. I'm using my phone to dictate the camera angle, and I know that the Wi-Fi is not going to be connected, so I'm not going to be able to get the full prices that I was trying to get for you guys, the final data for Bitcoin for the year. Okay, so
let's 3, 2, 1, and
alright guys, so January 1st, Saturday at 11:52 Eastern Standard Time. We're looking at a trading price of $47,428.98 for Bitcoin. Just like I predicted, it won't get above the $50,000 mark for the end of the year. Unless you're one of those people who are like trading it during the week. I'm just going long term on this. We're looking at, as far as the yearly gain on Bitcoin. Let me find those numbers for you guys. Percent wise, at least. So I don't really use CoinMarketCap as much. It definitely has the as much detailed statistics as you could ask for Bitcoin. It's going to tell you this is the number one ranked in the market. It has 40.17% control of the crypto market, and you can get pretty much anything you ever wanted. You can see what the price of one Bitcoin is to $1, whereas most people are buying fractional amounts of Bitcoin, and it will tell you just based off here. Say if you have, fortunately you have to put in Bitcoin to convert to the US dollars, but say if you have half of Bitcoin, it will tell you right away how much it's worth. Or if you have 0.25 of Bitcoin, it will tell you away how much it's worth, and so on and so forth. You guys get the point. You guys don't have to do the math anymore. The computers do everything for us, as a lot of people know. So you can pretty much get your daily moving average on Bitcoin. You can get your minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, as detailed as you want to get. Usually I generally just look at my 90-day moving averages for coins before I invest in them, but it's definitely good if you're going to be doing a short-term trade with the crypto market to get familiar with using these charts on a minute-to-minute basis, or at least a day-to-day basis, so that way you can make sure you're not making a foolish decision before you buy a crypto or a stock. And it will tell you the circulating supply in the top right hand corner, which the maximum supply of Bitcoin is 21 million. We're looking at 18.9 million as far as that's getting exchanged or is held by people. I've heard that as much as 3/4 to 2/3 of Bitcoin is by long-term holders or investors in it. So a lot of it has been definitely taken on by the general public and large corporate businesses, where people are putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets, such as Tesla and MicroStrategy, to name two that I'm most familiar with. So you can get anything that you really want to as far as off of here. There's definitely numbers and informations on the price estimates, analysis, and so on and so forth. Everything you could ever want for the crypto market is on coinmarketcap.com. Yeah, so don't forget to like the video, comment down below, maybe follow me along in this journey, guys, of buying $40 of Bitcoin a month, and let's see how you guys do in the year of 2022. Peace out. Bye. Don't forget, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before you buy anything. And catch you all on the next one.